Did you know that crocodiles actually eat turtles? At first, it might seem impossible. After all, turtles have hard, armor-like shells that look nearly indestructible. But for crocodiles, that shell is more of a challenge than a true defense. In fact, in rivers and wetlands where both animals live, turtles often become part of the crocodile's menu. Crocodiles are ancient predators, unchanged for millions of years, and they've developed powerful tools for survival. Most notably, one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom. A large saltwater crocodile can crush with over 3,500 pounds of pressure. That's more than enough to crack the hard shell of a turtle like a peanut. But it's not just brute force. Crocodiles are smarter than they look. They'll reposition a turtle in their jaws, shake it, or even smack it against a rock or log to break the shell. Some species have even been observed waiting patiently near turtle nests, snapping up hatchlings the moment they emerge. It's not mindless violence, it's strategy, perfected over millions of years. You might think a turtle's shell is unbeatable, but it actually has weak spots. The areas between the top shell, carapace, and bottom shell, plastron, the edges near the legs. These are places where crocodiles aim their bite. Once they get the right grip, the outcome is usually not in the turtle's favor. Interestingly, young crocodiles don't always know how to eat turtles right away. They learn. Some try to swallow small turtles whole, especially soft-shelled species, and their stomach acid does the rest. Others experiment, drop them, pick them up again, and eventually figure out the best technique. It's a mix of instinct and learning through experience. But not all turtles are easy prey. Some have evolved thicker shells, better camouflage, or behaviors that help them stay safe. For example, the alligator snapping turtle has a jagged shell and a strong bite of its own. And giant tortoises, those massive land-dwelling tanks, are simply too big and too heavy for most crocodiles to handle. Still, in areas where freshwater turtles and crocodiles share the same habitat, such as rivers in Africa, Southeast Asia, or South America, turtle predation is common. It's part of the natural balance. Turtles help clean the ecosystem by eating dead plants and animals. Crocodiles, in turn, help control turtle populations, especially in places where turtles reproduce in large numbers. Scientists have even studied this behavior and documented specific crocodile techniques. In one observation, a Nile crocodile was seen gently pressing a turtle against the riverbed with its jaws, slowly increasing pressure until the shell finally gave way. It wasn't wild thrashing, it was controlled, calculated force. Even more surprising, some birds and mammals have been observed doing similar things. Otters sometimes use rocks to crack open shellfish, and certain birds drop turtles from great heights to smash their shells. But crocodiles, they skip the tools. They are the tool. It's important to remember that this isn't cruelty. It's nature. Every animal is trying to survive, and each has evolved defenses and tactics over time. Turtles rely on their shells, their camouflage, and their slow, quiet movements. Crocodiles rely on stealth, speed, and power. Sometimes one wins, sometimes the other. So the next time you see a turtle basking in the sun or gliding through calm water, remember, behind that peaceful image is a world full of predators and strategies. And somewhere nearby, a crocodile might just be watching, waiting, and ready to show that even nature's toughest armor isn't always enough.